Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video it is time for a new nail polish of the week session again. So definitely grab your own nail supplies and paint your nails together with me while watching this video, and of course let me know what color you are applying or wearing at the moment. I'm really curious to hear about that. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's get into the whole nail polish application. Of course, start off with clean nails, maybe even get rid of the additional oils if you weren't removing your nail polish before, just to make sure that everything is crisp and clean and your nail polish will last a longer period of time. So I'm just going in with the base by Essence. I have loved this one ever since it came out. It has kind of like a milky formula, so it gives like a beautiful filter like sheen to your nails, like makes everything even more perfect, because to be honest, every single size, shape, form, color, anything like that when it comes to nails is perfect in my eyes. If you are like, oh man, I can never grow my nails to the length that you have or anyone else has, I feel you. I've been there. I've done that. I have been a severe nail biter until I turned 14 years old, which is already 17 years ago. So ever since that moment that I just put like that switch the other way around and I just quit nail biting cold turkey, I have grown my nails long and strong. Of course, it doesn't grow back long and strong from like the first day, not even the first year. It definitely takes time, and next to that, your DNA and stuff like that takes a big toll on that too. So yeah, thank your mom and dad if you have, like me, strong natural nails, and if you don't, just be gentle with them. Take time, maybe even take like some extra vitamins or supplements that can help you with stronger nails, or maybe even apply a layer of gel polish base and top coat like I do. I just do so because I have a very manual job, but it can definitely help out anyone, whatever kind of job or school or anything like that you're attending. But yeah, I just love that base. It is very inexpensive, they're vegan, they're cruelty free and so on, and they're pretty easy to get by as well. Then for the color of this week's nail polish of the week color, I went with a beautiful color, and I know this one is green. You're all like freaking out already, like, Femke, what's going on with you? You don't like green. Why do you like this one? And just look at it. It is like a Christmas tree in a bottle. And I am a big Christmas fanatic. I'm still really sad that I won't be able to decorate the house and set up my tree like usual this year, because I'm actually renovating my new home and I will be moving into it as well, hopefully next week if everything goes according to plan. But yeah, you know, I just love Christmas, and green is a very Christmassy color, and this color is just like liquid Christmas tree that has a ton of lights in it. That is exactly what this nail polish is just screaming to me. And I know I don't like greens. Green is my least favorite color when it comes to nail polishes and stuff like that. But this polish, just look at it. It is so sparkly. It is so opaque for that first coat already. It is insane. I'm just totally in love with this color. This one is actually called Dress to Excess. It is from the Rumor Jazz It collection, which I have just recently posted my video on, my swatches, my thoughts and stuff like that a little earlier. So definitely check out that video if you're curious to see the 5 other colors that are in the 6-piece collection. I actually expected that collection to be the like winter or Christmas collection, but it's more of like an in-between limited edition collection as far as I have like read online and heard from other nail polish enthusiasts. So yeah, I actually expected this one to be the Christmas one, especially because of this color, but the entire collection is just so sparkly and shimmery and gorgeous that it just screams holiday to me. But yeah, I'm just really excited to share this color, like especially this time of year. Like Christmas is just around the corner. It is insane. Do you have any Christmas plans? Because you know, I don't have any because of the move and just everything surrounding that. So definitely let me know what your Christmas plans are, and of course, do you even celebrate Christmas? Maybe you're from a country or a region on the world, on the planet, that doesn't celebrate Christmas like we do here in the western part of Europe. Definitely let me know if you have any like cool like Christmassy traditions or any traditions like celebrating this time of year. I'm really curious to hear about that. But back to this color, as I mentioned, it's green, but it's beautiful. It's kind of weird for me to say because, you know, green is just meh, but this one is just gorgeous. It definitely is a liquid, like enlightened, bedazzled Christmas tree in a bottle. And I just love the fact that these, like not only this polish but the other colors from that collection, they're just really opaque. So I'm just so excited about it. Like, you can always hear in the tone of my voice whether or not I like something, so it's pretty much not gonna work if I would lie about something, because you guys would hear anyways. But I'm just really like in love with this color, even though it's green. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's so Christmassy, and it really gets me into like the festive mood, and I just want to light up candles and just little Christmas lights and decorate the whole house, and oh, it really brings me into like the whole holiday season, if you know what I mean. Even though I'm not really doing anything this year, I am going to get all of my Christmas joy and celebration moods from wearing polishes like this, because oh my, it is gorgeous. I feel like I'm really repetitive this video because I'm just really loving this polish, but you know, it is what it is. And after your nail polish coats, your colored coats are completely dry, you can go in with your top coat. I'm just going to slap one on by Essence, which is the same brand as the base coat that I used. It is just so affordable. Like, their bases and top coats are like around €2, like sometimes even a little below €2. Sometimes they're like $2.50 or something like that. So they are really affordable in my opinion, and a little bit goes a long way as well. For this specific nail polish combination, I just wanted to go in with a glossy one. You guys know me, I love my glossy finishes, and especially not to take away the thunder and gorgeousness of this green shimmery nail polish, I just had to apply a shiny, like glossy finish. Of course, you can definitely slap on a matte top coat as well if that is more your cup of tea, but I just feel like I don't want to take away from how pretty this like liquid Christmas tree polish is. It is just really gorgeous, and yeah. Definitely let me know what you think about this color. Is it something that you would wear? Do you have any other colors from the Essie Rumor Jazz It collection? Let me know in the comment section down below. And for now, I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas if you're celebrating. My next video will be uploaded just right behind the Christmas days. We actually have 2 Christmas days here in the Netherlands, so I think it's like the 27th or something that the next one will be up. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.